Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Stack, and I'm gonna show you how to reactivate TikTok account. So to proceed, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application into your device. Now over here, guys, you just simply have to go to the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, guys, here you can just simply go ahead and select log in. And now from here, of course, just simply go ahead and continue with your account that you want to reactivate it. Now, I'm going to go for continue with Google. And over here, of course, just simply sign in into your account that you want to reactivate with. And now automatically, as you can see, you will have a pop-up over here that reactivate your TikTok account, and you will have an option down below to reactivate your account. So just simply select reactivate to proceed with this process, and automatically you will now be logged in into your account. And when you go to your profile, as you can see, I am now back on my account, and this should reactivate your account. So guys, to reactivate, just simply log in back into your account, and you should be able to have your account back, and people can search your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.